Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, so this is our problem number 22. Let's read the problem first. A manufacturer produces two different models X and Y of the same product. So we have two different models. Model X makes a contribution of 50 per unit, so it is more profitable. And model Y is less profitable, 30 rupees per unit towards the total profit. Raw materials R1 and R2 are required for production. And then there is a condition that there should be minimum consumption. At least 18 kg of R1 and 12 kg of R2 must be used daily. इतना कम से कम दिन में यूज करना ही अपने को, इससे कम नहीं यूज कर सकते, इससे ज्यादा यूज कर सकते हो. Also at the most, when I say at the most, this is the maximum time. At the most 34 hours of labor are utilized. So my maximum labor time will be 34 hours. A quantity of 2 kg of R1 is needed for X and 1 kg of R1 for Y. For each of X and Y, 1 kg of R2 is required. It takes 3 hours to manufacture model X and it takes 2 hours to manufacture model Y. So there is labor constant, there is material constant, and we need to decide how many units of each model should be produced to maximize the profit. So we need to maximize the profit. So problem is based on maximization. So let's first make the table and then we'll make the assumptions. So here we are with the table. In the table I'll put down the models X and Y into the column. This is my model X. This is my model Y. What is my contribution? My contribution per unit is 50 for X and 30 for Y. Contribution per unit 50 rupees for X, 30 rupees for Y. Then we need two raw materials R1 and R2. At least 18 kg of R1, 12 kg of R2 must be used daily. So here is a condition. At least 18 kg of R1 and at least 12 kg of R2. Then quantity of 2 kg of R1 is needed for model X and 1 kg of R1 for model Y. So 2 and 1 is the quantity required for R1. Model X में 2 kg and model Y में 1 kg. And then 1 kg of R2 is required for each of X and Y. X और Y दोनों में R2 का 1 kg लगता है. Then we add the labor hours or the labor time. The labor hours that was available was, we had 34, at the most 34 hours of labor are to be utilized. So it is maximum supply 34 hours. Next, it takes 3 hours to manufacture model X and 2 hours to manufacture model Y. So labor hours में आपका यहाँ पे लगता है 3 hours और यहाँ पे लगता है 2 hours. And with this we are done with the table now. Now we will go for the assumptions. My first basic assumption will be how much quantity I am going to make of which model. Model X we will assume X1 and for the model Y we will assume X2. Let X1 units of model X and x2 units of model Y are manufactured. This is my basic assumption. And our objective function will be to maximize the profit or the contribution. So my objective function will be maximize Z equals to my contribution per unit is 50 into x1 plus 30 into x2 will be my total profit. So 50 into x1 plus 30 into x2 subject to, what is my constraints now? My constraints will be raw material. I should use at least 18 kg of R1 and 12 kg of R2. It will be at least. So when I say at least, I will use the sign more than equal to. It will be 2x1 plus 1x2 more than equal to 18 kg. 2x1 plus 1x2 more than equals to 18 kg. And it will be 1x1 plus 1x2 more than equals to 12 kg. 1x1 plus 1x2 more than equals to 12 kg. Then we have labor hour constant 3x1 plus 2x2 at least, so maximum supply 34 hours, so it will be 3x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 34 hours. So 3x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 34 hours. These two are my raw material constants. This is my labor hours constant. And finally, we will put down my favorite part, non-negativity constraints. x1 more than equal to 0, x2 more than equals to 0. With this, the problem is done. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.